Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you'll enter to Twitter. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again, as you see here on this page. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.